Today we're going to talk about 5 free tools that are so good and so powerful that, honestly, Microsoft might rather you didn't know about them, not because they're bad, but because they offer fantastic alternatives to some of their own paid services. So let's jump right in with our first little gem. First up, LibreOffice. Think of LibreOffice as your complete office suite, just like Microsoft Office, but completely, totally, 100% free. It includes a word processor, writer, a spreadsheet program, calc, a presentation tool, Impress, and even tools for drawings, databases, and math formulas. What it can do, you can open, edit, and save all your Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files with it. It's perfect for students, small businesses, or anyone who just wants to get work done without the subscription fees. Moving on from getting your documents in order, let's talk about making some noise. Literally. Next, Audacity. Audacity is an incredibly powerful open source audio editor. It's been around for ages, and for good reason. It's packed with features that you'd expect to find in premium software, but it costs you absolutely nothing. You can record live audio, convert tapes and records into digital recordings, cut, copy, splice, and mix sounds together. If you've got a microphone and an idea, Audacity can help you bring your audio dreams to life, whether it's for a YouTube video, a voiceover, or just messing around with sound. Now, speaking of media, let's talk about watching it. And for that, we've got a true champion, the classic VLC Media Player. You know that frustrating moment when you download a video or an audio file and your computer says, nope, can't play that. We've all been there, but with VLC Media Player, those days are officially over. VLC is the universal remote for your media files. It's famous for being able to play virtually any video or audio format you throw at it without needing to install extra codecs or software. It just works every time. Beyond just playing almost anything, VLC can also stream videos from the internet, convert media formats, capture your desktop, and even play DVDs and Blu-rays. It's lightweight, incredibly versatile, and honestly, a must-have for any Windows user who watches or listens to anything. Alright, so we've covered productivity and media, but what about your files? In an age where everything's in the cloud, what if you want more control? Take control. With NexCloud, we all use cloud storage these days, right? Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, they're super convenient, but what if you're a bit wary about where your data is actually living? Or you want more storage than the free tiers offer without paying a monthly fee? That's where NextCloud comes in. NextCloud is essentially your very own private cloud server. Instead of your files living on Google's or Microsoft's servers, they live on your server. Whether that's an old computer you've repurposed, a dedicated home server, or even a cheap little single board computer like a Raspberry Pi, it gives you all the features you'd expect from a cloud service. File syncing, sharing, photo galleries, calendars, contacts, and even built-in office suites. You can access your files from anywhere, share them with others, and collaborate, all while knowing exactly where your data is and having complete control over it. It's a fantastic option for those who prioritize privacy and want to be the master of their own data domain. And finally, for all you aspiring content creators, gamers, or just anyone who wants to show off their screen, we've got a truly powerful tool. OBS Studio, the master of screen recording and streaming. OBS Studio is a professional-grade open-source software for video recording and live streaming. Despite being free, it rivals and often surpasses many paid solutions in terms of features and flexibility. It's used by countless YouTubers, streamers, and educators worldwide. You can record your entire desktop, specific windows, webcam feeds, and combine them with audio from your microphone and computer. If you're serious about creating video content, whether it's for tutorials, gaming, or just sharing your screen, OBS Studio gives you all the tools you need without spending a dime. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible free tools that can seriously upgrade your Windows experience without costing you a single penny. They prove that sometimes the best things in life and on your computer really are free. Go on, give them a try. You might just wonder how you ever lived without them. Until next time, happy computing.